Hello everyone, welcome back to the explanation. So again, let us continue the syllabus discussion part. So in this video, I'll discuss about the syllabus of Nepal Telecom, that is NTC. Okay, so again this syllabus is for computer engineer level 7. Fine. So who all can give the exam for this particular syllabus or for this particular vacancy? So those who have passed computer engineering, okay, bachelor's in computer engineering, they can apply for this. So no need to again qualify for masters for this exam, because this is a level 7 exam. Okay, it is of level 7. So it is Pravidik Seva, and this is for corely for computer engineers. So this is the syllabus for computer engineering. So let's see what all are there. So again there are two categories, that is first paper and second paper. In first paper we have got written exam and it is of 200 marks, and second paper we have got the that is interview, okay, Antarvarta, that is the interview. So again this is of 30 marks. Coming to first paper, okay, coming to first paper, we have got in first paper, again we have two papers there, first and second. So first is general subject, okay, general subject. It consists of general awareness and general ability test and management and institutional awareness. So we'll be discussing this in detail later. And the full marks is 100 and pass marks is 40. So it consists 50 MCQ questions, each of 1 marks, and 10 long questions, each of 5 marks. Fine. So in this particular first paper also we have divided this in two parts. So again for the first MCQ part we will be given 45 minutes, and for the written exam we will be given 1.5 hours. Fine. So this is corely, this is not from your core subject. This is from your general ability test, your general information about our country, about the GK part, and management institutional awareness. So no core subject part is asked here. Coming to the second part of that particular first paper only, second part, we have technical subject. So technical subject, it consists of our core subjects, okay. So again the full marks is 100 and pass marks is 40, and again 30 questions of MCQ will be asked, each of 1 marks, and 2 questions of 5 marks will be asked, and 6 questions of 10 marks will be asked. And the timing for MCQ is 30 minutes, and timing for the core part written is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, in this way you will be giving the first paper. Going to first part, we can say, going to second part, if you qualify in this written exam, then only you will be called for this personal interviews, we can say. So it consists of 30 marks and it is totally oral. Okay, so again one of the important thing that I want to discuss is multiple choice question. It has got negative marking. So many students, so many people who are attempting for this PSC exam, they don't know about this negative marking, okay, because they don't go through all the rules. Fine. So you have to take care of this. There are negative marking. It means that 20%, that is 0.02 marks from 1 marks, it will be cut. You will be giving negative marking, okay, like you'll not get the mark, instead some negative marking, they'll cut your marks like from the total if you have given wrong answer. So be careful here. It's better not to give answer if you don't know, or if you're sure that it is a wrong, you'll get negative marking. Now other rules are there, okay, other rules are there, and there's one more important information here, that you cannot use calculator, okay. So take care of this also. Now next is, let's go to paper 1. So paper 1 is general subject, so it is not your core part, okay, it is general ability test. Fine. So it consists of 25 marks, and the question will be asked from geography of Nepal and world. So it consists of 5 marks, history and culture 5 marks, economic aspect of Nepal 5 marks, governance and organization 5 marks, about UNA, WTO and all, contemporary issues 5 marks, about biodiversity, pollution, climate change, recent achievement in telecommunication, other affairs, you can say. So if you are good in reading news, and if you have a good knowledge of general knowledge, so this is benefit for you. Next is, we have 15 marks will be asked general ability test. So it consists of your your verbal and non-verbal abilities, okay. For example, classification, matrix, distance, sense, analogy, reasoning, statement, etc. Numerical ability, okay. For example, simple like work time, loss and profit and loss, ratio, percentage, that we studied. Numerical ability, this we studied in lower classes. Next we have mathematical and statics. Okay, so this mathematics is totally from engineering. If you have studied, if you have come from engineering background, you would have know this is, I think this mathematics part we study in first and second semester, I guess. Okay, so section B. For first part we have two sections, section A and section B. So it consists of 50% of marks, and again this is not our core subjects. So it consists everything about management and institutional awareness. Okay, so in management group, this is totally from management students. Okay, from management category you can say. So how we have more, you know, management, how we have vision of management, then power, then leadership, teamwork, motivation. Okay, how we can manage the conflict. So it is totally theory part, and it's very like you'll enjoy this. Okay, because you don't need to write this. Once you study, once you read this, you'll get that what it is studying. Okay, so it's very nice, you know, it's very good to read this. So you can get any book and you can read that from here, management book. Next we have project management and marketing. Okay, so this one I think we studied in our engineering also in fourth year, I guess, project management. So same part they have taken this. Next is general account principles. Okay, again this is not from our bachelor's in degree part, so this is again from account subject. So you need to know about balance sheet and all, budgeting and all. Finally 20 marks they'll ask from the company. Okay, their own Doorsanchar and all, vision, mission, goal. So all these parts you can get in NTC website. All of these documents you can get in NTC website. So the time when I'll be discussing all these like chapters and all, so I'll upload this in my website so that you can download it very easily. Okay, so all these are available, and these are written in Nepali, so you have to learn in that way only. And next is, you know, organization aim and all, niti. Okay, pravidhi, bhrashtachar nivaran and all. So all these are documents are there, so you need to study this. Next is coming to part 2, we have technical subject, that is our subject. Okay, so for our subject it consists of 50% of marks. So this one I am studying for computer engineering, this one I am telling for computer engineering. So it consists of DSP. Okay, so DSP you have studied in fourth year, I guess. Again digital system is there. Next computer architecture. Okay, advanced computer architecture we have. Next is VLSI, very large scale integrated circuit. This is a part of electronics engineer I think. Next is computer communication. Okay, so this is nothing but computer network we can say. AI and expert system we have distributed system, fourth year subject. Coming to part B, we have program design and data structure. So we have to study here, you know, C, C++ designs and all, trees and all. Operating system we have. Next is software engineering. Okay, next is database and file system. Next internet programming and client server computing. So this one is not from our bachelor's degree, but some portions, you know, we have studied there. Next is cryptography and network security. So this chapter is from, I think, IT, BSCS IT, they studied this one. Next is basic electricity and electronics. So this is totally electronics part. Okay, it consists of both electrical and electronics part we can say. Fine. So that's the syllabus for NTC. So it's a bit tough, okay, you can say. So nothing is impossible. So what suggestion I can give you is, you need to, if you want to attempt for PSC exams, so don't study at everything at the same time. Okay, so you can study a simple like one topic whenever you are free. You just study a topic if you want to attempt for PSC exam later on. Okay, so next I'll be coming with some other syllabus for some other exams and all. So first of all I'll cover the syllabus and then I'll go to the discussion part slowly. Okay, so till then take care and stay safe.